Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link up EasyWorship to OBS Studio. So for you to do this, you just have to have these two software installed firstly. So if you don't have them installed, I'm going to be dropping the link to get them downloaded in the description below. So first things first, you open OBS Studio and you open EasyWorship after installing the both of them. Alright guys, so I now have the both of them opened now. So for you to add up EasyWorship viewing to OBS, you just have to go back to EasyWorship, then click on the edit option, then from edit click on option. So once you've done that, you just have to change the output monitor to NDI stream. So after changing to NDI stream, you can just throw up a song or maybe a scripture to the live output, so that when adding it to OBS, you can be able to find that already in place. So then you go back to OBS after that, then click on this plus option, then click on NDI source. So if you don't have this NDI source on OBS, I'm going to be dropping a link in the description to where you can get the NDI plugin so you can have it on your OBS. So after installing it and you open, then click on source name, then EasyWorship live. So as you can see now guys, I now have EasyWorship in OBS Studio. So that's just how I can easily do this guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.